गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन, वेलकम टू स्टडी लाइट, मेकिंग योर स्टडी लाइटर एंड ईजियर। तो आज हम करने जा रहे हैं क्लास 4th एसएसटी का लेसन नंबर 3 कॉन्टिनेंट्स एंड ओशंस की बैक एक्सरसाइज। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। सबसे पहले हम करेंगे इसके ओरल क्वेश्चंस। व्हाट मेक्स लाइफ पॉसिबल ऑन द अर्थ? एंड द आंसर इज द प्रेजेंस ऑफ एयर, वाटर एंड लैंड मेक्स लाइफ पॉसिबल ऑन द अर्थ। Now take the correct answers. The big land masses are known as A. Oceans, B. Islands, or C. Continents. And the correct answer is C. Continents. Second, dash is the biggest continent in the world. A. Asia, B. Europe, C. Australia. And the correct answer is A. Asia. Third, dash is the shallowest ocean in the world. A. Pacific Ocean, B. Arctic Ocean, or C. Indian Ocean. And the correct answer is B. Arctic Ocean. Now multiple choice questions, take the correct answers. First, Asia is surrounded by the dash ocean in the east. And the options are A. Pacific, B. Arctic, or C. Indian. And the correct answer is A. Pacific. Second, dash is the deepest place on the earth's surface. Options are A. Mariana Trench, B. Ring of Fire, or C. River Amazon. And the correct option is A. Mariana Trench. Third, dash ocean is the only ocean named after a country. Options are A. Pacific, B. Atlantic, or C. Indian. And the correct answer is C. Indian. Now identify and name these pictures. Also name the continents in which they are found. First is River Amazon, Southern America, then the Great Barrier Reef, Australia, and third is Penguins, Antarctica. Now D exercise, write short answers. First is write 4 sentences on A. Asia and B. Pacific Ocean. And the answer is A. Asia. It is the biggest continent of the world. It has diverse races, cultures, and languages. It is 1/3 of the total area of the earth. It is also called the continent of extremes. Now B. Pacific Ocean. It is the largest and the deepest ocean. Its area is more than the total area of all the continents. It has the deepest place on the earth's surface. It has active volcanoes around its edges. Question number 2. What are continents? Name the continents in decreasing order of their size. Answer number 2 is big land masses on our earth are known as continents. Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia are the continents according to their decreasing size. Question number 3. Name the 3 important rivers of North America. Answer number 3 is 3 rivers of North America are St. Lawrence, Mississippi, Missouri, or you may write Colorado. You can write any 3 names from the given 4 names. Question number 4. Name 2 major parts of the Indian Ocean. Answer number 4. The Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal are the major parts of the Indian Ocean. Now we will do E part of this exercise. Answer the following question. So question number 1 is, why is Asia called the continent of extremes? And the answer is, Asia is the biggest continent of the world. It is surrounded by oceans. It has high mountains, plateaus. It has the highest mountain range, the Himalayas, the highest mountain peak, the Everest, and the lowest part on earth, the Dead Sea, which is 418 meters below sea level. So it is known as the continent of extremes. Second question, which continent is known as the continent of science? Why is it called so? Answer number 2. Antarctica is called the continent of sciences. It is called so because many countries of the world have signed the Antarctic Treaty, according to which no country can exploit the natural resources of Antarctica. It can be used for peaceful purposes only. For example, to study climatic changes. Question number 3. What is the Ring of Fire? Where is it located? Third answer, there is a range of active volcanoes around the edges of the Pacific Ocean. It is known as the Ring of Fire. Question number 4. Briefly describe the Indian Ocean. Answer number 4. The Indian Ocean is the only ocean named after a country. It is the third largest ocean. It is triangular in shape. It is bound by Asia in the north, Africa in its west, and Australia in the east. The Bay of Bengal and the Arabian Sea are its parts. Now, higher order thinking skills means hot question. Why is global warming dangerous for us? Answer for hot question is global warming is a result of excess heating of the earth. This would result in the melting of the polar ice. Due to this, the water level of oceans and rivers would rise and the coastal areas would go underwater. Now, the map question. On the given outline map of the world, mark the following: A. Asia, B. Australia, C. South America, D. The Indian Ocean, and E. The Pacific Ocean. Here are the answers: A. Asia, B. Australia, C. South America, D. Indian Ocean, and E. Pacific Ocean, both sides of the world map. Here we have completed the back exercise of this chapter. Now we will do worksheet number 1. So first of all, take the correct options. First, a star is a dash ball of gases and the options are A. Tiny, B. Small, or C. Huge. And the correct answer is C. Huge. Second, there are dash continents A6, B7, or C8. And the correct option is B7. Third, we live on the dash of the earth A. Core, B. Magma, or C. Crust. And the correct answer is C. Crust. Fourth, the dash is the nearest star to the earth A. Moon, B. Sun, C. Venus. And the correct answer is B. Sun. Fifth, the Arctic Ocean is connected to the Pacific Ocean by the dash A. Bering Strait, B. Andes, or C. Suez Canal. And the correct answer is A. Bering Strait. Now we will do B part of this worksheet. Match the following. First, Mars. Mars will connect with D. Red planet. Then second, Africa. Africa will connect with A. Sahara. Third, rotation. Rotation connect with E. Day and night. Fourth, Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean will match with B. The smallest ocean. Fifth, Antarctica. Antarctica will match with white continent C. Now C part of this worksheet. State whether true or false. A. Antarctica is the 5th largest continent. It's true. Second, the temperature of the earth is too hot. False. Third, the moon has no light of its own. True. Fourth, core is made up of hot gases and molten rocks materials. True. Fifth, satellites are the small bodies that revolve around the planet. True. Sixth, the Indian Ocean is the busiest ocean in the world. False. Now give one word answers. First, the largest planet, and the answer is Jupiter. Second, the smallest continent, and the answer is Australia. Third, the deepest ocean. The answer is Pacific Ocean. Fourth, the brightest planet. The answer is Venus. And the last, fifth one is the deepest place on the earth's surface. And the answer is Mariana Trench. Here we have completed the back exercise of the chapter and also first worksheet. In next video we will complete next chapter. Till then, take care and thanks for watching my video.